The Televes SmartKom Signal Combiner lets you feed signals from up to 3 antennas into one clean distribution line, which is ideal for serving an entire home or small building. Its built-in amplification with automatic gain control keeps channel levels balanced, so weak and strong stations arrive at your televisions with consistent strength and stability. Instead of relying on a mechanical rotor, this unit is a fixed installation with no moving parts, greatly reducing maintenance and long-term failure points. Automatic scanning and one-button setup make it easy for non-technical users, while the Bluetooth application for iOS and Android allows detailed manual tweaking when needed. The device actively filters each antenna input and strips out unwanted cellular and out-of-band interference, which helps preserve picture quality in crowded signal environments. A rugged weather-resistant housing and power delivered over the same single coaxial cable simplify outdoor mounting and keep the installation neat and reliable.